Hello everyone, welcome to Bhabna's Beauty World. Today we're gonna transform from this Chingalala who look to a beautiful human being. I mean to say we are going to have some beautiful concealer hacks with a bonus makeup tutorial that you can wear on your special occasion. So without further ado, let's start the video. First, to start my makeup, I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty setting spray to hydrate and prime my face. After that, I'm going to use this contour stick also from Kiss Beauty. I'm using this contour shade to contour my face and also hide my hyperpigmentation. It is darker than my original skin tone, so it will hide all the hyperpigmentations of my skin. I'm blending the hyperpigmentation areas concealers with my finger because it will be focused only on that area, and because of the warmth of my finger, it will be well melted and blended in my skin seamlessly. Now I'm taking the LA Girl concealer in the shade Porcelain to cover up the hyperpigmentation areas concealer, which is darker than my skin tone, and this shade is exact match to my original skin tone. And to highlight my face, I'm using the yellow corrector of the same concealer. Now I'm blending it with a fluffier brush, and where I have the contour concealers, I'm blending that with the flat top kabuki brush. Now you can see all together they look so seamless. I've set my skin where I don't have contour shades with the loose powder. In the off camera, I have done my eyebrows. Do check out my eyebrow tutorial in the description box. Now I'm taking this cool dark brown shade to pat on the outer crease of my eye. Now I'm blending this slowly, focusing on the crease line with the same brush. Now I'm taking this biscuit brown color with a fluffy brush to blend out the outer edges of that dark brown color. Now I'm taking another brown shade which is lighter than the previous shade with the same brush and blending it as a transition shade. Taking this shimmery indigo in a flat brush, I'm highlighting my inner corner. Now taking this purple toned shimmery white shade in my finger, I'm covering my eyelid. On top of the previous white, I'm taking this cool toned shimmery white to cover that. In the off camera, I did my another eye, some coat of mascara, eyelash curl and the eyeliner. Now I'm taking this shimmery lemon green with a flat brush and smudging my lower lash line. So here is the complete eye makeup. After that, I bronzed my face, used a pure peach color blush and a golden color highlighter. At this time, I dust out the excess loose powders. For the lipstick, I used a warm toned brown. So here is the complete makeup look that you can wear on the upcoming 21st February International Mother Language Day and other special occasions. It was so easy, and now you can do your base makeup without foundation, only with concealers, which is more long lasting. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next week, inshallah. Tata!